Welcome to 59 Spiceberry. I want to point out a few things I think buyers will actually care about. It's a combination of features that isn't always easy to find in Alys Beach. First, the light. Because this is an in-unit home along a pedestrian path, you get natural light on 3 sides. And I do talk about light a lot, and that's because it really does make a difference, especially here in Alys Beach. The main living area opens to the courtyard through large bifold doors, which is probably my favorite part of the house. When they're open, the courtyard really feels connected to the living room, dining area, and the kitchen. The courtyard has a pool and a fountain, but it's not overdone. It's private, usable, and gives the home a great indoor-outdoor feel. Inside, the selections feel timeless, with Venetian plaster, quartzite, honed marble, mother-of-pearl tile, Pecky cypress, and furniture that works perfectly for the home. Upstairs, there are 2 primary style bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, which is a really special detail and feature. This home has a total of 4 bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms. And then there's the 2-car garage. It may not be the first thing people talk about in Alys, but it does matter. Parking, bikes, beach gear, all of that adds up. Take those highlights, add in the location, close to Zuma, close to Calisa, close to the town center, the nature trails right there, and you have a very well done, very well-rounded Alys Beach home.